Hey everyone, and welcome to the ChatMaxima YouTube channel, your ultimate resource for unlocking the power of AI in customer communication and engagement. Whether you're a marketing agency, e-commerce store, or any business looking to level up your customer experience, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and let's dive in. We will guide you to maximize ChatMaxima's power and boost your business growth. Today, in this episode, we will show you how to build a powerful AI chatbot for GoHighLevel. First, visit chatmaxima.com and click on the login button. Once logged in successfully, you'll be redirected to the ChatMaxima dashboard. Go to Quick Access, then select Create Chatbot under the Bots section to get started. Create a chatbot, name it Demo Pizza Hut. Select Web as the content type and ensure it's public. Input your website URL to train the AI model. Select Yes to list all website pages. Review the URLs listed and it will be included in the training of the custom chatbot for you. Once done, click Train Chatbot to initiate the training process. Now, let's see how to integrate it with GoHighLevel. Go to Quick Access, click Add Integration below the bots. Enter a name like Demo Dominic Pizza and select the integration platform you want to use. Here, we have multiple integrations. Now, select GoHighLevel. Authenticate by logging in with your email and password. Verify with the security code and select the account you wish to continue. The integration platform will connect with GoHighLevel. Select a sub-account to connect and select integration. Next activity is to create a channel for the GoHighLevel platform. Go to Quick Access, select GoHighLevel under Channels. Enter the channel name and select integration, which has been created already. Copy the webhook URL and paste it in Notepad file for later user. Click Submit to complete the process. Open your GoHighLevel account and go to GoHighLevel Automation Workflow. Now create a workflow for triggering the next process. Select Customer Replied. Choose the trigger and add filters. Now, search Reply Channel to get the exact match. Select LiveChat. Now add the action, webhook, and paste the copied webhook URL for connecting ChatMaxima. Save the action, publish, and save. Now go to Chat widget to get the code for your website and copy the code. Paste this code into the body of your website. This will help you to integrate with the created chatbot. Finally, in the ChatMaxima dashboard, go to GoHighLevel under Channel and you can view account we have added earlier. Assign the chatbot created earlier to this newly created channel, Demo Pizza Hut. That's it. ChatMaxima's advanced AI chatbot for your GoHighLevel widget is ready. You can open your website and test your bot. Here's my first question. I want to order pizza for 2 persons, 1 veg and 1 non-veg pizza. ChatMaxima's AI chatbot responded me with the options based on my menu available in the website. Now I'm going to ask a follow-up question. Okay, any special promotions going on? Yes. It responded with the promotion details available for Republic Week. I asked to place my order. That's it. You can see the entire conversations available in the ChatMaxima dashboard. You can continue to training your chatbot by adding additional web URLs, documents, individual Q&As, etc. I will explain that detail in a new video. Thank you for watching. Contact us today to get started.